Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to georeference a topographic file in Revit. The topographic file I'm about to georeference in Revit came from TopoExport. You can download it by going to topoexport.com. Let me show you. Here you can click on the button to georeference your model. If you click on this link, you will have access to all the datasets available and the georeference system used in your country or region. For example, in Bavaria, the EPSG is 25832. Now you can click on the preview button and download your file. After downloading, you will get a file that looks like this. Next, let's open Revit and start a new project. Now I will insert a linked file. You need to import the file name TopoExport modeling. Regarding the setting positioning, select Auto by Share Coordinates. Now open it. Go to the 3D view to see your export. In the Manage panel, I will quickly change the project's units, distance and length in meters. After, I will click on the 3D DXF import to annotate the southwest corner of the export. Click on Spot Coordinate, and after, on the corner. You will see that the coordinates are now initially defined relatively to the origin 0, 0 of the model. So now I'm going to import it into the German EPSG 25832 coming from the TopoExport file. To do that, go to Manage, Coordinates, Acquire Coordinates. Finally, click on your DXF import, and there we go. The annotation point is automatically updated and now reflect the German EPSG. You can verify that the coordinates match the one in the TopoExport file name. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.